Hello, everyone! Get ready to meet some of the original music makers, because today's course is all about Native American traditional music.
Follow the fancy dancer on the screen and dance along.
First of all, you're going to use your legs like this. This is the crisscross.
Okay.
So the right leg is going to go forward. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
A note or sound that doesn't change is sometimes called a drone. And that's why the double flute can also be called a drone flute. Follow the jingle dancer on the screen and dance along.
Look at that! We're jingle dress dancing!
Now let's check out a really creative type of traditional native singing called throat singing.